Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Good morning, everybody. Let's meet one more time to complete or until to finish the story. Lesson 29, 2 of everything. Last time we stopped on page 500 until they have two of Mr. Hacktack and Mrs. Hacktack. Now the wife said everything will be okay and there will be no problem. We will be brother and sister, and we will have plenty of everything. Today we will read from pages 501 till 503. Let's start with the listening.
And that is what they did. The Hacktacks built two fine new homes. Each house had identical teapots, rice bowls, silk embroideries, and bamboo furniture. From the outside, the houses looked exactly alike. But there was one difference. Hidden in one house was a big brass pot. Of course, the Hacktacks were always very careful not to fall into it again.
And that is what they did. What they did, guys, means that they became brother and sister. They became friends. We have two Mr. Hacktacks and two Mrs. Hacktacks. They were brother and sister and friends. The Hacktack belt is the past from build. They built two fine new homes because they are rich now. Each house had identical, everything was identical to the other in the other house. Everything was exactly the same as the other thing in the other house. The new couple had the same of everything with the old couple, except one thing. What do you think that thing is, guys? Yes, it is the magical pot. So the two houses were exactly the same, except only one difference. That is the magical pot that was inside. Which couple do you think? Yes, the old Mr. and Mrs. Hacktack had the magical pot. The houses were decorated in the same way. Everything was exactly the same, exactly alike. But there was something hidden. It is the brass pot. Of course, the Hacktacks were always careful not to fall again. Why? Because if someone fell into it, there would be another new copy of him or her. So they were friends, but they were also careful not to fall into the pot again. Next. Lesson.
The new Hacktacks and the old Hacktacks did become good friends. The neighbors thought that the Hacktacks had grown so rich that they decided to have two of everything, even themselves.
Yes. The new Hacktacks and the old Hacktacks did become good friends. The neighbors thought that the Hacktacks had grown so rich. They became so rich. And even they decided to have two of everything, even themselves, because the new Mr. and Mrs. Hacktack were exactly identical to the old ones. So the neighbors were noticing that they had two of everything, even two of themselves. But nobody of the neighbors knew nothing about what, guys? About the magical pot, the brass pot. Yes. These are the neighbors. Yes, the neighbors are thinking. Yes. And then the story is over. Listen.
Be a reading detective. Dig deeper. Use clues to analyze the text. Use these pages to learn about understanding characters and point of view. Then read Two of Everything again. Use what you learn to understand it better. Understanding characters. Two of Everything tells how the hack-tax pot creates a problem. Think about what the characters do and say, and how they respond to events in the story. This can help you understand what they are like. For example, on page 490, Mr. Hack-Tack finds the pot and takes it home. This shows that he wants it to be used for something. Use the chart below to list text evidence about what happens and how the characters react. Character. What happens? Words, actions, thoughts.
Yes, our skill in this story, guys, is to understand characters. We can understand someone from what he says or what he does. If you see someone saying something, you must think, why does he say that? And is he right? Is he good? Are his words wise? Should I learn something from him? So we judge or we evaluate characters from what they say or what they do. Actions and words let you have ideas about the characters. If you read the story, you must concentrate on what they say and their dialogue, their conversation. You may know that the Mrs. Hack-Tack is wise and she's smart because she knows what to do in every problem. And you will judge them from their words in the beginning that they are simple people and they are very poor. So guys, try to concentrate on the actions and the words to judge, to say how this character is. Is he kind? Is he good? Is he bad? Is he smart? Is he stupid? And so on. So this is another skill you should concentrate on. I think you enjoyed this story. It's nice and simple because it has only simple plot. Thank you for joining. Enjoy your time, guys. I wish I could see you soon. Thank you. Goodbye.